Pause everything for the Saber Roar. I'm Joe.
And I'm Angie. This week we've got the scoop on the Jazz Cabaret, our award-winning dance team. Miss Adelmann tells us about the immortal life of Henrietta Lacks and an inside look on Saber Manufacturing.
For the 18th annual Jazz Cabaret, the Franklin Music Department took inspiration from 100 years ago with their theme of Bebop 2020.
The annual Jazz Cabaret took place in the FHS cafeteria. The performance included dinner and dancing, while the Franklin High School and middle school ensembles performed.
The Forest Park Jazz Ensemble is excited to open for this year's Jazz Cabaret. Our ensemble is made up of students from 6th, 7th, and 8th grades. This is the first year and the last year that 6th grade students will be involved in the jazz band, but they have made a huge impact on their success this year.
2020 marks the 18th year of Franklin hosting the Jazz Cabaret. I've been here for the past 11, and it's just grown into this tremendous community event that really celebrates all of the musicianship in Franklin, but just the celebration of jazz as well.
There was a silent auction and raffle with themed baskets made by the students, families, and community members. The funds that were raised went to the FPS performance groups.
My favorite part of the cabaret is just the collaborative nature of it, both with the planning committee, with all of the parents with whom I work to make this event come to life, but also with the music teachers in the area, the collaboration with a guest artist, and then the community that comes together for the actual event. It's truly a celebration of community.
Wow, they sounded great. What an awesome way to showcase FHS's talented music department.
Wow, what great moves, Joe. But I think the dance team can do better.
D1 palm goes to Franklin.
This year, the Franklin dance team continued their string of victories at state by bringing home first place in jazz and third place in palms. The team has been under the leadership of Coach Henrietta for the past 7 years and has had an astounding record as a result. They've won the jazz category 6 out of 7 times and won first in palms the previous 3 years. They've also been to the national championships twice. This year, Coach Henrietta's talent and dedication were finally recognized with her winning Coach of the Year.
Congratulations to Coach Henrietta and the dance team. Your hard work and dedication is truly underappreciated, and we want to thank you for everything that you do.
Henrietta Lacks is an African-American woman who has changed the game in medical research. Here's Miss Adelmann with the Saber Reads on the book Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks.
This is one of my favorite books, The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks by Rebecca Skloot. It is the story of a black woman who has cervical cancer, and she goes to Johns Hopkins Hospital where she gets some of her cells removed. At that hospital is a man who grows cells, and he does so for the first time successfully with Henrietta's cells. A lot of other people make a lot of money, but unfortunately, neither Henrietta nor her who dies, nor her family actually ever benefit from this. The book is fascinating because it talks about the exploitation that Black people have experienced in this country. It talks about a lack of ethics. For example, when we're looking at the Tuskegee experiments, the treatment of African Americans, and it is mind-boggling to me that the descendants of Henrietta Lacks are unable to afford health care when her cells have actually made millions.
Thank you to Henrietta Lacks and the other unrecognized African-American doctors, researchers, and inventors who have contributed to the medical research. To learn more about Miss Lacks, check out our library for books and films on the topics.
This year, Saber Manufacturing is new to FHS, and it's quite obvious that it's not like every other class. Here's why it's so unique.
Saber Manufacturing is a student-run business led by Ms. Bishog, the metals and manufacturing teacher here at FHS.
So it's a real-world experience where they can learn kind of the ins and outs of a manufacturing business.
Students use their skills learned in the metal shop to design and produce parts for local clients. Saber Manufacturing gives students experience in many areas of running a business. They begin by designing and calculating the cost of the parts needed. They then run prototypes for clients. Once they are approved and a price is agreed on, the students produce the part. The money earned goes back into Saber Manufacturing, and a portion of the profits go to the student employees. This level of work requires a high level of engagement and professionalism. This opportunity is open to students who take and succeed in Metals 1 and Metals 2 classes. If you are up to the challenge, you can apply to be part of the business.
So you have to fill out a job application. Professionals from area businesses come in to conduct interviews, and then they have input on who gets into Saber Manufacturing and who doesn't.
The students are learning valuable employability skills in a real-world situation while making money and going to school. If you want more information on this opportunity, see Ms. Bishog in room B115.
The students who work at Sabre Manufacturing get to network with future employers and are one step closer to a career in the demanding high-tech field. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter @the Saber Roar to stay up to date with all things Saber Roar.
Thanks for watching, Franklin. We'll see you next time, and have a great week.